Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen. One thing that we see after somebody gets in a car accident is somebody may offer cash for repairs. And don't take that cash. Make that insurance claim, because oftentimes, cars are expensive. The price of everything is going up. And by taking some lesser amount of money, you may not be getting enough money to repair your car with the parts that are necessary, with manufacturer parts, and you really don't want to take that money. Always insist on making the insurance claim, putting it through the insurance company, and doing it right, because oftentimes the only person you're shortchanging is yourself. You can give me a call if you have any questions, 860-471-8333.